Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Trend. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic cottage decor is a cozy and charming interior style that blends elements of vintage, rustic, and cottage aesthetics to create a warm, lived-in, and nostalgic atmosphere. Here is a breakdown of its core elements. First, vintage, antique or time-worn pieces from past decades, especially from the 1920s to 1970s. Distressed furniture, retro fabrics, old knick-knack, vintage dishware, or repurposed flower market finds, emphasizes a nostalgic and sentimental vibe. Rustic, raw, earthy, and natural materials like reclaimed wood, stone, oak, iron, or linen. Unpolished or weathered finishes give it a rugged and authentic charm. Focus on a handcrafted look. Think farmhouse tables, exposed wood beams, and jaw-hewn shelves. Next, cottage, light, airy, and often romantic. Use of soft colors like whites, creams, pastels, floral patterns, and light fabrics like lace, cotton, or muslin. Furnishings tend to be simple, comfy, and informal, often with a quaint English countryside feel. Common decor elements: slip-covered furniture in light fabrics, open shelving with mismatched vintage dishes, prestige wood cabinets or tables, with wicker baskets, iron candle holders, and messenger's lighting. Handmade or upcycled decor pieces like repurposed doors or window frames, floral prints, gingham, or toile for fabrics and curtains, vintage artwork or black and white family photos in wooded frames. Overall feel: vintage rustic cottage decor is inviting and comfortable, imperfect on purpose, with charm in every stress and patina. A celebration of history, nature, and simplicity. Let's dive deeper into vintage rustic cottage decor by exploring its origins, core themes, color palettes, materials, decor ideas by rooms, and how it compares to similar styles like farmhouse and Shabby chic. Origins and inspiration. Vintage rustic cottage decor draws inspiration from old countryside cottages in England, France, and America. Traditional rural living, where decor was simple, practical, and often handmade. Wartime and post-war eras, when people reused, repurposed, and valued sentimental items. It is not just about design, it is about evoking a feeling of comfort, nostalgia, and solo living. Core themes: time-worn beauty, aged distressed finishes on furniture and decor, peeling paint, chipped enamel, and weathered wood are part of charm. Celebrate the imperfections that tell a story. Handcrafted and repurposed. DIY projects and upcycled furniture are key. For example, old clothes turned into shelves or vintage suitcases stacked as a nightstand. Cozy collected look. Decor feels crafted over time, not mass product. Mix of antique, inherited and gifted items. Color palette. The color in vintage rustic cottage decor are soft, muted, and inspired by nature. Common tones include whites and creams for brightness and simplicity, soft pastels, pale blue, shades green, last pink, and dusty lavender. Use warm neutrals like beige, taupe, autumnals, faded gray, touches of rustic wood tones and iron accents for contrast. Materials and textures wood, reclaimed, unfinished, or painted, or chipped. Iron and metal for bed frames, curtain jars, light fixtures. Cotton and linen for upholstery, curtains, table runners. Wicker and rattan, baskets, chairs, and decor. Stone or brick, exposed or fugs for fireplaces or backplaces. Room by room ideas. Living room. Sleep covered sofas in linen or cotton. Mix of floral and gingham throw pillows. Use open old shelves with books, iron lanterns, and pottery. Antique coffee tables and vintage mirrors also uses. Kitchen. Use open shelving with vintage dishes and glass jars. Wooden countertops or bathtub blocks. Use farmhouse sink with a ruffled curtain. Iron hooks for mugs and utensils. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames or painted wood beds. Layered quilts and crocheted blankets. Antique dressers with lace runners. Use soft lighting with lamps and sconces. Bathroom. Use clawfoot tub or pedestal sink. Rustic wooden shelving or ladder towel jack. Use vintage glass containers for soaps and brushes. Soft floral curtains or ruffled linens. Vintage rustic cottage has other styles. Vintage rustic cottage. Key traits. Soft, cozy, old world charm. Handcrafted and aged look. Modern farmhouse. Uses cleaner lights, mix of rustic and modern. More black and white contrast. Shabby chic. With family, romantic, white heavy with ornate details. Country chic. Rustic elegance, more polished and coordinated than cottage. The philosophy behind the style. At its core, vintage rustic cottage decor is not just a look. It is a lifestyle choice. It celebrates simplicity and authenticity. A slower, more intentional way of living. Memories and heritage. Many pieces tell a story or come from family traditions. A connection to nature, handcrafting, and the charm of imperfection. This decor style thrives on warmth, comfort, and character, turning your home into a refuge that feels lived in and deeply personal. Decorating principles. Layering and texture. Mix old with older. Tipped paint, iron, glass, cotton, burlap, crochet, and wool. Layered textiles. Shows on chairs, rugs over rugs, quilts on top of duvets. Function meets beauty. Decor items are often also functional, like vintage pictures as vases, crafts as shelves. Lighting styles. Lighting is soft, warm, and atmospheric. Common types include iron candelabras or candle-style fixtures, windows-inspired wall sconces, table lamps with floral or linen shades, hurricane lanterns or messenger lights, candles, real or LED, for cozy ambient lighting. Seasonal decor ideas, spring or summer, fresh cut wildflowers in vintage jars, light cotton shows and shade lace contents. Use pastel accents like pale yellow, mint, or sky blue. Fall, use open baskets filled with dried sweet or mini pumpkins, candles in amber glass, cozy plate textiles, and rust-colored accents. Winter, chunky knit throws, hand garlands, and antique slate, or snowshoes as wall decor. Iron backgrounds with fairy lights. Also, warm neutrals palette every brown can vary. White source authentic decor, flower markets and estate sales, great for one-of-a-kind vintage furniture and decor. Antique stores, pricier but usually higher quality. Cheap shops, affordable finds with a little DIY potential. Online marketplaces, estate Facebook marketplace. DIY and upcycling, old window turned into mirrors, ladders into towel racks, clothes into bookshelves. Tips for getting started. Start small. Add a windows mirror, a floral pillow, or a rustic crate to an exciting space. Don't overmat. Let each piece have its own story. This style embraced the imperfect mix. Use nature. Fresh or dried flowers, pine cones, stones, or branches add organic beauty. Tell your story. Display old family photos, handwritten recipes, or heirloom items with pride. How it blends with other styles. Vintage rustic cottage is extremely adaptable and can be merged with farmhouse style. Adds more black and white contrast and industrial touches. Shabby makes it more feminine and romantic. Boho brings in eclectic textiles and global patterns. Scandinavian simplifies the palette and makes it lighter. Modern Cottagecore emphasizes nature, handmade items, and fantasy-like charm. Furnishing tips. Furniture does not need to match. Contrast is charming. Look for patina. Scratches, paint on aged and faded stains are asset. Reupholstered old chairs in floral or ticking style fabric. Add character with antique hutches, eye-seams, or osier cabinets. Use multifunctional features like trunks as coffee tables or window suitcases for storage. Wall decorations, bedboard or shiplap painted in white or soft pastels. Use vintage wallpaper, especially floral or tile in muted tones. Gallery wall made of old paintings, botanical prints, embroidery hooks, and mirrors. Film paint or fox-edged finishes for a rustic cottage authenticity. Lanterns and greenery. Plants are key to bringing a fresh fresh lift-in feel. Popular choices: dark lavender, wheat, or eucalyptus in vintage pictures. Potted herbs like thyme, rosemary, basil in the kitchen. Fresh cut flowers from a wild garden, simple and seasonal. Use mason jars or teacups used as planters. Sentimental and storytelling decor, family heirlooms, grandma's coins, old letters in a shadow box, vintage baby shows, homemade crafts, little pillows, and painted sign embroidery hoops. Travel, souvenirs, antique maps, postcards, and old nurses. Personal touches, display favorite books, black and white photos, or handwritten recipes. Common mistakes to avoid: overloading or clutter. Keep it crowded, not chaotic. Using all new Fox Vintage items. Laying them with real-edged pieces for balance. Ignoring comfort. Cottage decor is meant to be cozy, not just pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.